નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students. This is first video I can say. This is revision for you, and yesterday I sent you first worksheet of chapter 8, mapping your way, isn't it? You already have received first worksheet. So we are going to discuss the two questions asked in that worksheet, and let's try to answer those questions, isn't it? So open that worksheet. In fact, those worksheet questions I have taken from your practice work, isn't it? This is your practice work and this is your first question. So open your worksheet or draw the map already in that worksheet. What you should do, first of all, you should draw that map in your notebook so that you can understand this whatever this video it is there. Now the first question is that what is the distance between Samira's home and colony? Okay, looking into this first question here, suppose this is first question, but here you should mark is that the scale. The scale is what? The scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. You should mark this. Okay, why? Because we have to answer this in the kilometers. See, the first question is what is the distance between Samira's home and colony gate? Now first of all, let's find out what is see, this is suppose Samira's home, isn't it? Now from here there is a temple, and see there is a temple, and in this way, then after once again in this way 2 kilometers, and once again here somewhere is colony gate, isn't it? Colony gate, colony gate. Okay, now this is 3 centimeter, this is 14 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter, isn't it? So this is Samira's home, isn't it? And from there 3 centimeter, this is colony gate. So how far is it? We have to go on this road, isn't it? So 3 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus 2, 17 plus 2, 19 plus 5, 24 centimeter. Now 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, isn't it? 1 kilometer. This is kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So the answer should be 24 kilometer. The answer of this one, 24 kilometers. But ideally, how you should answer? You should answer in such way, suppose the distance between Samira's home and colony gate is 24 kilometer. Like that you should answer. You should answer like the distance between Samira's home and colony gate is 24 kilometer. Okay. Now the second question. In which direction is the school from colony gate? Now here we want to mark the direction, isn't it? For that, first of all, we should look into this. That see, this is north. You can see here south, isn't it? This is west and this is east. You can see these arrows. Okay. Now the question is what? In which direction is the school from colony gate? From colony gate to school. In which direction is the school from colony gate? Now we know the colony gate is somewhere over here. Now let's find out the school. Here somewhere it is mall. Here somewhere it is school, isn't it? So from colony gate we have to come in this direction. You can see the arrow in this direction, isn't it? Now coming to this direction, see the arrow, it is in the south direction, isn't it? So we should answer school south direction from Colony Gate, or we can write the school is in the south direction from Colony Gate, isn't it? Here I am writing only south direction. Here I am writing only south direction, but you should answer the way I answered. Now the second question, what is the distance between hospital and railway station? Now first of all we have to find out where is the railway station first of all, isn't it? So the railway station, school, once again we have to go in this way, and here somewhere it is railway station, isn't it? So now this is, let's write this also. And now where is this school, hospital? Here there is a hospital. This is a hospital, isn't it? And the Colony Gate, let's write the distance between 2 centimeter, isn't it? Then after, this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. Okay. Now we want to find out what is the distance between hospital and railway station. This is hospital, and to reach to railway station we have to come follow this direction, isn't it? So we have to go 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10 plus 4 14 plus 7 27 centimeter. This is 27 centimeter as per our map. But 1 centimeter is kilometer, 1 kilometer. So it is 21 kilometers, isn't it? So you should answer the distance between hospital and railway station is 21 kilometer. The distance between hospital and railway station is 21 kilometer. Okay. Now the next question, if you go to Delhi from school, in which direction will you go? If you want to go to Delhi from school, now you can see here there is a school, and in this direction there is a Delhi, isn't it? Delhi. Delhi in this, from school, Delhi in this direction. Now in this direction you can see the arrow. Here the arrow and next the arrow. So from school the Delhi is in the south direction, isn't? If you go to Delhi from school, in which direction? See, this direction is west, isn't it? This direction, mark the arrow. This is west. So from school, the Delhi is in the west direction. So you should answer from school, the Delhi is in the west direction. Or else you should answer, I will go in the west direction to go to Delhi from school. What you should answer? I will go in the west direction from school to go to Delhi. Okay, so like this, or you can write to go to Delhi, I will go in the west direction from the school. Like that you should answer. But here I am writing only this west direction. Okay. Now the last one. What is the nearer to mall, temple or railway station? What is nearer to mall, temple or railway station? For that, we should find out the distance between temple and mall and railway station. Okay, so let's find out the direction. Let's find out the, first of all, find out the mall. 1 minute. So the distance between mall, this is mall and hospital, isn't it? Mall and temple. Temple is somewhere over here. So distance between mall 7 plus 2, 9 plus 14. The distance between temple and mall is 23 centimeter. Distance between mall to temple is 23 centimeter. Now let's find out the distance between mall and railway station. See, 3 centimeter plus 4, 7 plus 7. 14 centimeter, isn't it? So distance between mall and railway station is equal to 14 centimeter. Now the question is what? What is the nearer to mall, temple or railway station? Then see, railway station and mall distance is 14. That is nearer to mall. So we should answer railway station is nearer to mall. Railway station is nearer to mall. Railway station is nearer to mall. Like that you should answer. You should not write, you should not answer in this way. The way I am talking to you, I am speaking, in that way you should answer. Okay, so with this first question is over. And now let's go for the second question. Okay, in the second question you can see that there is a grid. There is a grid in the second question. Okay, now first of all in the second question you should mark that this is the top view of Arpita's house is given below. Answer the following questions on the basis. Now in the second question also, question second, the scale is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meter. See, this is very important. This scale is very important. Remember that. Now let me make you understand. You can see the grid. You can see suppose somewhere over here there is a grid, isn't it? There is a grid, something like this. Okay, and you can see this is 1 centimeter and this is also 1 centimeter. Okay, now all these squares are have the length is 1 centimeter and the width or depth is also 1 centimeter. So area of this small square, of this small square or अथवा grid square, small square is equal to, we know that the area of this one is 1 centimeter, length multiplied by breadth. We know the formula, length multiplied by breadth. And what is the length? 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter is equal to 2 square centimeter. Okay, it is 2 square centimeter. Okay, now instead of writing this, suppose if I look into this scale, scale is what? 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meter, isn't it? So instead of 1 centimeter, I should write 2 meter multiplied by 2 meter is equal to 4 square meter. So area of this square is 2 square meter. Remember this. Area of this small square is 2 square meter. Remember this. This is very important. Now we can find out the answers very easily. area of this one is 4, isn't it? Sorry, this is 4 square centimeter. Sorry, 4 square meter. Okay, this is very important. Why? Because from this only we will be able to find out the answer of this one. Okay, now let's go for the questions. What is the area of drawing room? What is the area of drawing room? Now you can see there is a drawing room somewhere over here. There is a drawing room. Okay, look into this. Now drawing room is available in how many squares? How many small squares are there in the drawing room? And you can see 6 and 3. Lengthwise 6, widthwise 3. That is 6 3s are 18 squares are there, isn't it? So 18 small squares are there, isn't it? So it is 18. The area of the drawing room is equal to 18 square centimeter. Why? Because the area of this small square is 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 square. It is 18 square centimeter. Or we can say 18 squares are there. 18 squares are there. Now 1 square area is 4 square centimeter. Isn't it? So area of one square, small square, is equal to 1 square is equal to 4 square meter. Therefore, area of 18 square is equal to 18 multiplied by 4 is equal to 72 square meter. So the area of drawing room is 72 square meter. Okay, this should be your answer. Now let's find out the next. What is the area of kitchen? Now you can see kitchen have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares are there. 4 small squares are there in the kitchen, isn't it? Now 4 small squares. Area of 1 square kitchen is equal to 4 squares is equal to 4 multiplied by 4, isn't it? This is 4 small squares. Now 1 square is the area of 1 square. Area of 1 square is 4 square meter, isn't it? So area of 4 small squares is 4 4s are 16 square meter, and is equal to the second answer is 16 square meter. Now the third one, which hole has the biggest area? How much? Now here you can see total 3 holes are there, and you can see hole 1 has biggest area. Looking into that, we can say, see how many squares are there in the hole 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lengthwise and widthwise 3. 6 3s are 18 squares are there in the hole 1. So 18 squares, the area of hole 1 is 18 square. And if it is 18 square, then the area is 72 square meter. So what is the which has the biggest area and how much? Hole 1 has the biggest area. The answer is hole 1. And how much? It is 72 square meter. Okay. Now the fourth one. Which hole has the smallest area? How much? And looking into this, we can see hole 3 has smallest area, isn't it? So the answer is hole 3. How much? The area of hole 3 is 1, 2, 3, total 6 small square. 6 small square. Area of one small square is 4 square meter. isn't it? So 6 small square, that is 6 fours are 24 square meter. So the answer is whole 3 and 24 square meter. And the fifth one, is the area of garden more or less than the area of storeroom? How much? Is the area of garden more or less than area of storeroom? So first of all, we should find out the area of garden. Look into the garden. Where is the garden? Somewhere over here. Okay. So you can see the garden have how many squares? Small square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lengthwise and widthwise 3. 5 3s are 15. So first of all, I should write the garden have 15 square. Okay. And the other one, storeroom. Now you can see the storeroom have 1, 2, 3, 4 3s are 4 3s are 12. Storeroom have 12 square, isn't it? Now the question is the area of garden more or less than the area of storeroom? The area of garden is more or less than the area of storeroom. Here we can say the area of garden is more. The area of garden is more, isn't it? Than the storeroom. Now how much? How much square meter more? Then here, see, this is 15 square, this is 3. So 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 squares. The area of this garden is 3 squares more than the storeroom. Now this 3 square, area of 1 square is 4 squares and 4 square meter. So area of 3 square is equal to 3 fours are 12 square meter. 12 square meter, isn't it? So how much area is more than the storeroom? It is 12 square meter. The area is more is 12 square meter. And now the last, how much more is the area of drawing room than the area of bathroom? Now drawing room, the area of drawing room is 18 squares, 18 small squares, and you can see bathroom is only 4 squares. Bathroom is only 4 square, isn't it? Now area of drawing room, 18 small squares, area of bathroom is 4 squares. So difference between this area 18 and 4, it is 18 minus 4 is equal to 18 minus 4 is equal to 14 squares, isn't it? 14 squares. So the area of 14 square is 14 fours are 56 square meter, isn't it? So how much more is the area of drawing room than bathroom? It is 56 square meter. So 6th one. The question is how much more is the area of drawing room than the area of bathroom? It is 56 square meter. Okay, so with this, all these answers, remember this, try to solve the worksheet with yourself in such way. Answer properly. You should not answer in such way. Okay, you should answer what I am talking to, what I am speaking to. You should answer by calculating this. You have to calculate this and then after you should answer. Okay, I am sending you the answer in such way, in this way only. But the way I make you understand through this video, in such way you should answer in the worksheet. You should answer in your fair notebook. You have to send the fair notebook photographs to me as a homework. Okay. Tomorrow I will send you the answers. All these answers I am going to send you tomorrow. Okay. And if you could not understand, watch this video repeatedly. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.